Just 2 knots, 4 miles.
Hey, so we can accept those, that should be Monaco Charlie.
So let's get that over this down, please, once you want to collect my I'll call you.
No, that's Monaco Charlie.
Emirates 17 Juliet, just before time, LS1 time will be 1411. Okay, 10 minutes to wait here, Emirates 17 Juliet.
The 260 the support comes out to 3,000.
What's up?
That's waiting for you.
42, supposed to be coming back, supposed to start around about 10:25, I don't call you.
About 25 bucks to call you.
2 bucks.
25 bucks.
Left. Shuttle 2,
Victor, speed of 160 knots, or great distance, 4 miles. And this is 40 meters, so do it there.
1 November Grand Hill, taxi by Bravo then, Juliet Echo Parking Stand 05.
Bravo, Juliet Echo Stand 5, Greenstone, 1 for November.
Charlie, I'll be careful. We take from my phone, comes down.
Don't think so, no, just this airplane is putting it on.
Okay.
Cairo, we got our TC and we are fully ready to start our push.
Juliet 72, we're just a mile clear back very shortly.
Cadillac 768 Juliet, that's okay, good.
Alright, Juliet, great taxi Alpha then, Delta, hold it Delta 3.
Over Delta 3, Johnny. Is it doing?
49 uniform, Tango request.
49 uniform, Tango, Roger taxi November Charlie Echo